Close your eyes, baby. Did you want me to use that big scrunchie? Or you just took it out?
Yeah.
Did you want me to use that?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Oi! Good job, ate. Look at you, girl. Well done. Ayan. Tawa agad. Bungis-ngis na bibi. Hindi ang kanyang pangalan. Siya ay batang bungis-ngis. At hindi ang kanyang pangalan. Bungis-ngis na bibi. That is your India. My bungis-ngis princess. You are a bungis-ngis baby. Oh, here's your toy. Where is my India? Pico. Ang ganda ng ate natin, oh. Really beautiful, baby. Buyag, ate. You're growing, bubbers.
Will I learn a different Netflix really soon?
No, I'm not sure. Is she going to a different gymnastics soon or not yet? Not yet. Daddy said not yet.
Mama, when are we going to reception?
Reception in a couple months.
7.
Not 7 months, no. Oy! Gusto mo maglagay na lang tayo ng camera dito para happy ka lang lagi. Yeah, is that what you want? Oh, sorry. She moved her carpet. Galing na niya, di ba?
We got gymnastics and we'll come back to swimming.
Oh, you going swimming today?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Oh, tell me.
You're coming to swimming, yeah? Good job, Alo. You look good, girl. Enjoy, girl.
Good morning, but happy Sunday.
Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
What are you doing today?
Watching TV.
You're watching TV, but later, what are you doing later?
Doing sports.
Not sports. Swimming. You got swimming. So, yung swimming lessons niya nagsimula last week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was your first one. So, nire-ready ko lang yung pang-swimming nila, guys, kasi silang dalawa yung pag-swimming. Alright, so this is the swimming bag na pinapadala ko kay Dan. It's not really a swimming bag, but everything fits in here. So, ito na lang yung gamit ko. So, yung iba nandito na. So, after ko siyang i-wash, dinediretso ko na siya dito. But, I actually need to change the towels kasi binilhan ko ng towel si Ayla. I won't need this anymore because we have a better towel for ate. This one doesn't need to go in the bag. So, suot niya na to papunta dun. Tapos si Arlo din, suot na niya yung swimwear niya. So, yung kailangan ilagay dito is yung change of clothes. So, nandito yung kay Arlo. Port Power today kasi may laro kami mamaya. I'm not sure kung pupunta si Dan. He's still not 100% okay. And then, ito yung kay Ayla. Pero yung susuotin ni Ayla, yung leggings na suot niya ngayon, tapos ito yung top. And then, I will need Daddy's change of clothes as well. Kasi nga, si Daddy mababasa siya with Arlo. Hindi na kay Ayla. Si Ayla, mag-isa na siya, guys. Siyempre, with the instructor. Pero with Arlo, kasi sa edad niya, kailangan may parent dun. So, si Dan, nandun sa tubig with Arlo. Kaya, kailangan niya din ng change of clothes. That's why, kailangan namin ng mas malaking bag this time. Kunin ko lang yung pinili kong towel for us. Ay, nakita ko din to. Share ko sa inyo. Kasi, grabe yung ang mura ng nabili kong mga nakasale sa Kmart. Anyway, wait. Parang pangit ang light. Alright. So, sa cotton on, kasi after ng class ni Ayla, maghintay siya dun, guys. Kasi nga si Daddy, lulusog. Lulusog talaga. Kasama ni Arlo sa tubig. So, last week, ito yung gamit-gamit niya. Yung hooded na towel lang. Tapos sabi ni Dan, I think she needs something better kasi malamig na. Tapos nag-uusap-usap kami noon, nandun kami sa bahay ng kambal niya. Nung Mother's Day, ito sabi ni Aunt, ito yung gamit ni Eli sa swimming niya. And nakita ko siya sa cotton on. So, I got that same one. So, ito yung dahilan ng order ko sa Cotton On. Buti dumating agad kasi in-order ko to ano lang. Sunday kami nag-catch up, diba? In-order ko to Tuesday siguro na finalize ko yung order or Monday night. But, ganito lang siya. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng ganito, hooded siya na towel pero long sleeve. Tapos, meron siyang zipper. Meron sa Cotton On. Yun nga lang, isa lang yung available at the moment. Meron pa ako nakitang iba. Ang ganda sana for Arlo nung green, may blue din, kaya lang out of stock. This one you can customize as well. Like, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng pangalan for an additional price. Ayun, $44.99. Really? That is so fun. Really? A monkey one? Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Ano yung sabi ko? Sorry guys. Pwede mo siyang ipa-customize for an additional cost. Maglalagay sila ng pangalan like here or there. Kaya lang hindi ko na kailangan gawin yun kasi magkaiba naman yung gender ng anak ko. So this is for Ayla talaga yung pink. Tapos ayoko ding lagyan ng pangalan kasi kapag ginamit na siya ni Indy, ayoko naman Ayla yung nakalagay. And also, ayoko na ding ma-delay kasi nga gusto ko na siyang gamitin ngayon sana. And perfect, dumating siya. Ang bilis nito dumating nung Thursday. This is for size 5 to 7 kasi yung size down nito is I think 3 to 4. Yeah. So that's for Ayla. She will use that today. And then, para makakuha ako ng free shipping, nag-order na lang din ako guys ng mga naka-sale na other stuff. Oh my gosh, ang galing nito. Meron na din silang return label, automatic na. So kapag may i-return ka, meron na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-print. Ang galing yan. Ganyan din yung sa H&M. Kaya gusto ko nag-order sa H&M. Anyway, alright. So I just got tights for Ayla. I think kailangan mong maka $70 para makakuha ng free shipping. So, nag-shopping lang ako ng mga kailangan ng mga bata. So, malamig na yung panahon. Kailangan ni Ayla ng tights. Ganyan lang yung material ng tights. May pa sparkles siya dyan. So, kapag nag-dress siya and malamig, pwede siyang magsuot. Suot niya yung tights. And then, yung mga swimwear nila, meron pa din silang mga nakasale, like $5. So, ito yung mga nakita ko. Size 6 yung binili ko, guys, for next summer. Next summer. Size 5 pa pala si Ayla. Kasi mayroon na kasi siyang size 5 na kasya sa kanya ngayon. So, yung binili ko is mga size 6. And diretso to, i-store natin to kasi hindi pa to kasya sa kanya. So, puro lang to $5. $5 lang yan, guys. And ang ganda niyan, oh, beaded talaga siya. So, I got this as well. Ayan, meron din siyang pa-beads na ganyan dyan. It's 2-piece. Pero, yung bottoms niya, high-waisted. Oh, ang cute, diba? Ang cute niyan. $5 lang yan. Last one, na $5 lang din. And may pa-beads din siyang ganyan. Ang ganda ng details nito ha. Tapos 5 lang to. Originally, magkano to? $40 originally. So, naghanap din ako ng kasya kay Indy. Kaya lang mga full price yung kasya kay Indy. So, hindi ko na binili. Kasi hindi naman kailangan. Ang nakalagay dito is $35. But I think I got this for only $5 as well. So, dinagdag ko na lang din siya para nga makuha ko yung free shipping. So, this is for ate again. Size 6 din yung kinuha ko. But pinili ko siya kasi adjustable yung kanyang strap. Pang Pinas na yan. And then, last one is for Arlo. So, naghahanap ako ng mga swimwear para dyan. Kasi, di ba, nung napunta tayo ng Harbour Town, wala siyang swimwear kasi wala akong makitang size niyan. I think $10 to. Pero, ang ganda ng kakulayan. My goodness, gusto ko ng ganitong kulay na swimsuit. Machi-machi kami ni Dudong. Tingnan nyo naman ang ganda. Originally, $25. I got this, I'm pretty sure, for only $10. And yun lahat. Siguro, magkano yung nabayaran ko. Hindi ko na alam guys, walang presyo dito. But yeah, basta mga 70 something yun. And then ito, my goodness. Nagpunta ako ng Kmart. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Hindi ako nag-vlog that day. Tingnan nyo itong mga nakita akong tag-piso na lang. Tag-piso na lang. Now, do we need this? We don't need this right now, but $1. Ganyan mag-sale dito, guys. Kapag hindi na siya season, kasi may iba-ibang season yung Australia. Kapag hindi na season, yung mga items from previous season, sinisale nila kasi syempre, hindi na siya binibili kasi nga hindi na mainit. So, ito mga pang-summer, $1. You guys, $1. So yung inisip ko, perfect pang balikbayan box. Ilagay ko lang sa balikbayan box and gagamitin namin pag nasa Pinas kami, kasi for sure magre-resort kami. Wala pa kaming na-book na resort. Nahihirapan ako, guys. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Gusto sana namin pumunta somewhere na hindi sana sa Cebu. Kasi marami na kaming napuntahan ng mga resort sa Cebu. And ayaw namin bumalik sa same na resort na napuntahan namin. Gusto kasi namin iba-iba sana para ma-experience namin yung iba. Gusto sana namin outside of Cebu. Pero yung iniisip ko, yung hindi sobrang layo, yung parang same situation sa Bohol sana, na madadala namin yung car namin, kasi very convenient kapag meron kang car, kasi mahilig nga kami maggala-gala, diba? Ayaw namin, hindi naman sa ayaw, but mas prefer sana namin na lumalabas kami ng resort din, like gumagala-gala. So, ewan ko, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng mga location. So, kung may idea kayo, let me know, guys. Kasi tinitingnan ko si Kihor, kaya lang, yeah, nahihirapan ako sa accommodation naman. Walang masyadong resort na like kid-friendly, like yung my kids pool. Alam mo yun? Yeah. Meron naman siguro tayo makikita. Hindi pa lang ako nakaka-focus ng tingin ng mga accommodation sa ngayon kasi ang dami ko pang kailangan asikasuhin before that. Anyway, back to this. So, lahat ito $1 lang. So, meron tayong bola. Kumuha ako ng 2 bola for $1.
Okay.
Pang box yan. You wanna show that to the guys? Look at this.
And basketball ball.
Basketball. Show the guys. Look at this, guys. You play basketball in the pool. We're on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Magkano ba yan? How much was it originally? I don't know. Walang presyo, but look at that. $1. Tuwang-tuwa ako nung nakita ko to. And feeling ko yung ibang nandun na hindi pa naka-update yung price, $1 lang din. Kaya lang ang dami ko nang dala-dala ko ata si Ayla at saka si Arlo nun. Tapos ito dala-dala ko, ang bigat-bigat na niya. Hindi ko na kinuha yung iba. So yung wand, ilang wand ba yung bumili ako ng 2 wand. Iniisip ko lang si Ayla at saka si Indy maglalaro yan. And then I got this as well for $1. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Higaan ata o anong gagawin mo dyan? Ang galing, diba? So yeah, I remember yung pinunta ko talaga dun is bumili ng boots para kay Ayla. So, nalabas ko na yung isang boots kasi nagamit na niya. Yung light up boots from Kmart. Ang ganda nun, guys. Tas mura lang yun. I got this as well. Kapag sobrang lamig na talaga, tas maulan na. Like, actually, maulan na ngayon. Kapag maulan na kasi yung panahon, yung school, they recommend na magpadala kayo ng boots sa mga bata para suotin nila kapag naglalaro sila sa labas. Alam mo yun? So, I got this and this is only $6. So, for Ayla, ito talaga yung dahilan kung bakit ako nagpunta ng Kmart tapos ang dami ko nang nabili. Oh, yeah. So, nung bumalik ako, pinapalitan ko na din yung nabili natin sa Kmart na mali yung size ng loob. Iba-ibang kulay. Ang mura lang nito. Hindi ko na alam magkano, but ang mura lang yan. And then, bumili na din ako nito pang additional na long sleeve ni Ayla. $6 lang yan, guys. And then this one for Arlo. $2.25. Ang mura. $2.25. Hala. Ako na talaga ang may pera dito. Ay! Yung kanilang tig to 2,000 rupiah. Nandyan. So, that's for, oh, meron pa pala. Ito, kinuha ko din for Arlo kasi merong A nakalagay. This is only $6 as well. So, pang bahay lang din ni Dudong or pang labas na sobrang hindi naman ganun kalamig. And yun na yun lahat. Wait, balik tayo sa kailangan kong gawin, which is yung kanilang swimming bag. Gusto kong bumalik ng Kmart para magtingin ng mga naka-sale pa ng mga pang-summer para ilagay ko sa box. Tapos maganda din to kasi mahaba. Makakover yung legs ni ate talaga. Tapos long sleeve din. Kasi yun nga, hooded towel lang siya tapos expose yung kanyang arms. This one's nice. Tapos yung towel ni Arlo is ito lang muna sa ngayon. Kasi si Arlo yung last eh. So after niya, hindi naman siya maghihintay ng sobrang lamig na lamig siya. So, ito lang yung sa kanya. Hooded towel din. Ang cute nito. I got this from Zara. Nakasale ito nung binili ko. And now, Arlo's using it. Snoopy. Na orange and white. Ang cute, diba? So, yung kailangan lamang dito is daddy's change of clothes. Tapos, yung tubig ng mga bata. Tapos, yung snack mamaya. Alright, that's it. It's 9:29. 10 yung tapos ng gymnastics na Ayla. Tapos, magdadrive pa yun pabalik dito. So, meron pa akong time. makaka-edit pa tayo. Kasi si Indy ay tulog. Ayusin muna natin tong gulo. Kaya minsan ayoko munang mag-unbox kasi kailangan kong i-put away agad-agad. Look at this mess! You can ask flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the beautiful birds, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. That's our Indy. My baby's home.
Ooh, this
How
is
was swimming, baby?
good. Ooh, this is sharp.
Yeah. Sabi ni Daddy, very good daw.
Ooh.
She's getting more and more confident sa tubig.
Ah,
Walang floaties yan ha. Yung isa,
here's the pea.
how was Arlo?
Good.
Good? Yeah. Did you watch him? Daddy was with him, was he?
Yes,
Yeah.
remember some kids were, when we were sitting, some kids went to their moms or dads.
Okay. Yeah. Tulog ang dulo natin.
There was a man in the swimming club with his
Oh.
there's a grandpa in the swimming pool with his dry clothes,
Okay.
with his normal clothes, not swimwear,
Oh, really? Oh.
and it was white.
What? It was white?
Yeah,
Okay. Your eyes look beautiful, Baba.
thank you.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. Let me see. Look at the guy. Show the guy. See? Ang ganda ng kulay ng mata niya. So beautiful, girl! I love it! Yung mga ganyang kulay, Day. Contacts ko lang yan dati, Day.
Oh,
Gusto ko manood ng Showtime. Wala akong ihahatid sa puti kasi dito lang si Dan. Hindi siya
Mommy, I'm
manonood ng
so
puti.
excited tomorrow.
You're so excited for tomorrow? Oh yeah, what's happening tomorrow?
And Miss Daddy, their ears peeled.
That's right. Araw-araw tinatanong niya sa akin kasi binuko to, siguro early this week, binuko yung pang ano ni Indy, ear pierce. And yeah, it's happening tomorrow. I think we will have lunch after.
Tellywise.
Naka-port power kaming lahat. Oh, well, except for Dan, but Indy is wearing her jumper. Ayla can write my name and Arlo's name. Kahapon niya nalaman, pernaktis niya kahapon.
But that one.
It's not hard anymore. Good job, Ayla.
What?
E.
And then.
Nice! How about Alo's? I can tell you the letters A, R, L, like L, O. Easy! Well done! Hello guys! Nakatulog ako ng 2 oras. Tapos si Indy din, natulog din ng ganun katagal. Pinatulog ko lang siya, tapos sabi niya, natulog ka din doon habang tulog si Indy. Ako nabahala sa 2. O di, natulog si Indy ng 2 oras. Ako din. Say hi to the guys. Iba na naman yung outfit niya, nagpalit na kay Inday. Ay! Oh, naka-shorts.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
I'm gonna, get dinner ready. Half time ng footy, 5:08. Gusto ko lang i-ready yung ating dinner kasi kakain kami after na ng footy. But, nilabas na namin ito guys. This is our dinner tonight. Kagabi pa namin ito nilabas kasi pakalaki nito. So, ito yung binigay nila Manay. 2 nga yung binigay nila na mention ko last time, diba? So, yung kay Dan, syempre yung tail. Look how big this one is. Agoy! Agay, 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 agay. So, kailangan i-break. Ayan. Agoy. Look at the meat from the head. Do you want that meat? This? I'll take this because it's
You can take what you want.
you won't like the fatty one. Yes. That you will eat that.
Oh, yeah, but you can take it if you want.
No, it's okay because I'm fine with
I'll
these.
wash off all that brown stuff.
You will wash it off.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so ito yung mga veggies natin. Corn. And ang sarap ng potato. O, maliliit. Potatoes. And lagyan ko din konting carrots. Kasi meron kaming carrots. So, unahin ko to. Masarap sana to kung ano, yung seafood boil ba. Kaya lang mas prefer kasi ni Danny yung ano, plain lang talaga na lobster. Tapos ito, i-dip ko na lang sa black sauce. How many potatoes do you want me to peel na lang?
Up to you. 3 to 5.
You'll have 3 to 5, okay. What do you want? Chicken nuggets? Potatoes.
I can sit in Daddy's lap.
Do you want to sit next to Daddy?
You can sit next to Daddy.
Or do you want to sit in the middle?
You can sit in the middle if
Come
you
sit in the
want.
middle, princess.
Here.
Hop on. Oh!
This is cold.
That's how Daddy likes it.
Ooh.
That's a lot of lobster as well. That's what I want. Thank you, Johnny boy.
Thank you. Alright.
Massive mouth.
Let's eat.
Why is there brown hair?
That's a lobster hair. Kasi nandito yung sauce.
Lobster hair.
Alright, let's eat.
Mommy.
If you need more malab, there's big ones here. Ito ay, hot. Don't touch. It's hot pala. Galing pala yung oven.
I don't like the corn.
I know.
Yes, do you want me to scream for all of them?
He's eating, so just leave him.
Oh.
He's eating. Kumain na to eh.
Mommy,
Kain ulit.
Oops.
Yeah.
can I dust with my fingers for me?
Where's his pepper? Yeah, do.
I also...
Wow. It's nice.
Want some crayfish, princess? No?
Ang sarap ng ulam natin, pero the kids are having, ano, well, she had chicken nuggets and chips,
And now I'm having...
and now she's having rice. Kasi gusto niya makisali, hindi naman kumakain ng crayfish. So, where's yung kanya? Alright, Bobbers.
What's this? Let's go buy chocolate. Can I already have butter?
Cut my potato open, put butter inside it. Do you want some?
Do you want potato? Carrots. Corn.
No. Mommy,
Yeah.
I have a really cool question.
A what?
A really cool question.
A really cool question. What's the cool question?
It's a secret.
Okay.
Can I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
What? I can't get it out nowhere. Ah!
How's that?
Do some?
The what? No. The veggies, I mean. Yeah. Very good.
Tastes a bit spicy.
Yeah. With pepper. Alright. Do you want corn? You have to give him space. Here. Here. Next to ate. You have to give him space, ate.
Where's my ball?
And a bowl. Daddy will get you a bowl and a fork, please, Dada.
Without boys, mommy. No. He just wants two.
Sit down, one at a time.
He wants the other. Okay, the other spike.
To the other window. It looks like a bun pan. It looks like that. No, bun pan. That's awesome. Can't do it now.
What's that?
Alo. Good job, Alo.
Let me try to clean it.
Corn is really good, Ayla. It's sweet.
The yummy one.
I know. See? You like it?
Mom, is that yours?
Mm-hmm. Is right? No? My goodness, Ayla.
I'm done, Dad.
You done?
The food is good.
So you done is in here, or go somewhere else?
Do something else.
You finished, Arla?
Alright, come on.
Oh, some more.
Yeah, Alo.
See?
Yeah, see? Big bite. Biggest bite in the whole wide world.
It's heavy.
Good boy. Good boy. That's how you do it.
Let's check me out.
You want the next bag?
Watch mine. Watch my big bite, everyone.
Go, Ayla.
What?
Go.
Look my big
Oh my gosh. That's the biggest bite in the whole wide world.
Mama.
Oh my goodness. I saw that. That was the biggest bite as well.
Bigger than that. But Daddy. And eat. And eat it. What do you?
Oh, did you see,
Is that fake?
I had a brake on.
I didn't.
Like a fake yellow
oh,
car.
sorry.
No. I'm topping. Mom. I
The
touched it.
shell flew away.
I touched it.
You touched it? Uh-oh.
Mom, it's not the blood.
No blood.
The blood is the blood.
Hmm?
There's fizzles. See the fizzles? They're poisoned. They're poisoned.
What did you say?
They're poisoned.
Before that, what did you say?
Oh, our fishes.
Ah, fishes. You said fishes?
And I'm not poisoned.
It's not fish.
It's poisoned. Oh, there's fishes. It's poisoned.
Is it so funny? It's very cool, right?
I think that makes the oil.
Yeah, see? Look.
Whoa.
Oh, so amazing!
Mom, what is that? Oh, it's fishes and it's poison. Mom, what did you do? Mom, isn't there tata? Isn't there a tata?
Yeah.
Mama,
I like that.
what did you do? No, I touched it on my leg. I touched it.
Yeah?
Yes.
The monster.
Monster wheel.
Look at the legs. Okay.
It's done under it. Done by that monster.
We find it, yeah?
Whoa.
In the sea.
It's a fish in a life farm, eh?
Very far.
It's done it in.
Mm.
And John's and Daddy.
In here?
Yeah.
The water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is sea monster? Mommy, is that sea monster?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And he said yes.
It's like a sea monster.
Who's shark?
Me.
You shark?
Yeah, no, not John. No, you name is Beauty. What is that?
I gotta look at dinner next Saturday.
Wow. Is that the wife? Goodbye.
Was it not yummy? Mm.
Daddy, I drink more and more.
You want to drink more and more? Yeah?
I'm drinking more. I did.
Just a little more.
I did.
Please.
No.
Say please.
Please. Please. Please, Mommy.
Yeah.
That is.
I will get back my please. Please, Mommy.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
And
Okay,
then-
Ella next.
Okay, to Isla now. Isla. And then back to Mama, and then that's it.
Did you drop Aya?
Good job. Oh, too slow.
I did it.
Go.
Good job,
Oh.
guys. Alright. You're good.
Yeah. But that's funny.
Yeah,
The
funny.
reasons are
Yeah, funny.
yeah. Peace, Mommy. Peace, Mommy. Peace.
No more, you already had enough.
Peace, Mommy.
No, no,
Peace, Mommy.
no,
Peace, Mommy.
no.
Peace, Mommy.
Ooh. Ooh. You want that? You want that?
I'm not honest.
You want that?
No.
A little bit of Coke left.
Bye-bye.
A little bit.
No, too.
Little bit.
No more.
Little bit. Little bit. Lift it up. Put it up. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
No more.
Oh,
Poor boy. No
oh
more.
spider.
Yeah.
On your nose.
Yeah. I didn't find it.
Bye-bye, hello.
I'm Santa. Ho, ho, ho.
Yes, Santa.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Whoa. I'm done.
Me too. There's heaps left. Is the game over?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, sayang. Ang dami pa, oh. Kunti lang ng kinain ko. Busog ako sa mga side dish. Pati rice ko hindi ko naubos. Ang konti na nga lang nun. Pero ang full na. Ang dami pa, guys. Sayang naman. Uy! As in, oh. Ang dami pa naman. Agoy ka, sayang.